My name is Dr. Kerry Peterson. I am a 2006 graduate of Purdue University. I've been practicing small animal medicine for the last about 8.5 years. Prior, I worked as director of animal health programs for the state of Indiana. I'm now medical director of a 9-practice company called Pet Wellness Clinics here in central Indiana. As medical director for Pet Wellness Clinics, I develop a medical newsletter each month, and I try to find interesting cases, new technologies, new medications, things that are interesting and new and up and coming in the veterinary field. I came across SignalPET and was very interested in what it had to offer, and I felt like it would help streamline and prioritize our cases here in the clinics. We ended up demoing SignalPET. All the veterinarians and staff really liked it, and we were really pleased with the ease of the software and the reporting system, and found that it added incredible value for our radiology services. Our patients were able to get care faster, and the clients really were pleased to see all the good things and everything that was normal in the radiographs, as well as the signals, the abnormals that the reporting system provided. So it's just been a great journey for us, and we really enjoy using SignalPET. So typically when I do radiographs on a patient, I will tell the owner that we use SignalPET and that it's an artificial intelligence software that will read our radiographs, and it'll give us signals of abnormal findings or normal findings. I use the reporting system to put my treatment plan, my either suspect diagnosis or my final diagnosis, and then I print it out, and I print it out with all the normals and the abnormals. And I found that when I present that to the client, they're a lot more engaged. We like having the reporting system because if we have to go back and do follow-up radiographs, we have something to compare to in paper form, so the owner can see that on this date this was abnormal, on this date it's normal. Having it backed up by the SignalPET in the reporting system is great. I love technology. I've always liked kind of the latest and greatest tools, equipment, software. I think this artificial intelligence, I think we're always, as a veterinary profession, trying to improve, and trying not only to improve medically and finding better treatments and better options for patients, but I think we're also trying to improve efficiencies in the veterinary hospital and among the veterinary team. And I think artificial intelligence, and I know it exists to some degree on the human side too, will help provide an improvement in these efficiencies. I had a cat that I was looking for a bladder stone, and incidentally found an incredible amount of spondylosis and back arthritis, which, as you know, cats are very difficult to determine if they're painful or if they have osteoarthritis. So we ruled out a bladder stone, but found some arthritic change in the cat's back, and that kind of helped us kind of put some pieces together that maybe the cat was having inappropriate elimination due to some back pain, and some other pieces of the puzzle were put together. So single doctor clinics love it because they have that official second set of eyes there for them if they can't reach out to another practitioner in the practice group. So it's really added a lot of value across the board to all of us. I think as this technology grows and into the future, those of us that are using it and are feeding our images into the database and the artificial intelligence, it's just going to be that more beneficial in the future. So I encourage all veterinarians to give SignalPET a try in your practice. You won't be disappointed. It's a great service, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. SignalPET is the greatest company to work with. We work with a lot of veterinary companies. No veterinarians struggle with when incorporating a new technology or new piece of equipment is, are you going to have customer support? Are you going to have someone on the other line that's going to be there to help you through any issues that you have? And with SignalPET, I can say absolutely, you will have someone that is going to help you through any issues that you have, someone that's going to check in with you, make sure that it's working well for you and your practice. They're just generally nice people and really are passionate about this technology and want you to succeed in practice. And I couldn't say enough great things about SignalPET.